The washer fluid level sensor does exactly what you think it would. It monitors your vehicle's washer fluid level. Now, if the washer fluid is low, you'll usually get a light or a message on the dash stating that. Now, this might not sound like it's vital, but there's a lot of situations where you need to be able to get your windshield clean, and that washer fluid is going to help with that. Without it, you'll have reduced visibility, which could end up causing some issues. Now, you'll usually find this sensor mounted into the washer fluid reservoir itself, either from the side of the reservoir or mounted directly into the bottom. Gaining access to this sensor can be the hardest part. Some vehicles are going to require the removal of the wheel and the fender liner just to get access to the sensor, while others are really simple. Service information is going to help you here in determining how to gain access to the sensor. Now, once you get your hands on it, it's usually changed out pretty easy. Many are threaded or bolted in, while others are just held in with the gasket that they're installed into. When you take this sensor out, you're going to leak fluid out. There's no way around it. If you grab yourself a clean pan, let the fluid drain out, replace the sensor, then you can just refill it afterwards and you'll be good to go. So if the washer fluid level sensor is failing, your car can react in a few different ways. You might get a warning indicator on all the time, even though the fluid level is full, or the light may not come on at all, even if the system were empty. Generally speaking, the level sensor will not affect the operation of the washer pump itself. The only thing that will be affected is the indicator telling you that it's low. You'll still be able to clear the windshield if the fluid is full. This sensor can also set B series codes, B1480 being a pretty common related code. So why should you get yourself an NTK washer fluid level sensor? Well, as with every NTK sensor, you're getting yourself a premium quality product with outstanding support and industry-leading innovation that's been bred directly from our company's OE heritage. These attributes and more truly make NTK the sensor specialist.